Babylon, the city that ruled Mesopotamia for 2,000 years.
Was this the city of the Tower of Babel, the Hanging Gardens, and lost gods?
In 539 BC, Persian soldiers stormed the temple and stole Babylon's god.
The 7-meter statue of Marduk vanished and has never been found.
2,000 years earlier, Babylon was just a small city.
Then came Hammurabi, an ambitious king determined to conquer Mesopotamia.
In 40 years, he defeated every rival city and built an empire. He created the first written law code in human history.
An eye for an eye, the law was now carved in stone. Babylon then built a tower meant to reach the gods.
Many believe this structure inspired the legend of the Tower of Babel.
Centuries later, Nebuchadnezzar turned Babylon into the richest city on earth.
The magnificent Ishtar Gate stunned visitors from across the ancient world.
And somewhere here may have stood the legendary Hanging Gardens.
In 333 BC, Alexander the Great came to Babylon and died here.
Macedon is mine! Egypt is mine by right! What of Babylon? You will get nothing!
Without power or purpose, Babylon began to fade.
By the 1st century, the greatest city on earth was nearly empty.
Look here, the inscriptions are Babylonian. Incredible. We found it. Babylon.
Law, architecture, or the dream of reaching heaven.